the greenhouse promotes student engagement because it allows for students to learn more about planting and growing, and it's kind of one of those places that it's kind of like a green room. A green room is supposed to kind of uplift you and bring you positive emotion and positive energy, and that's kind of how the greenhouse functions on campus. The garden allows for community engagement because it is open to all students, faculty, and staff. So that kind of promotes more usage from it and more opportunities to learn about plants, learn about vegetables, and the growing process. Definitely within the greenhouse there are more opportunities for learning. It's open to the whole Clarkson community, mainly geared towards encouraging students to learn more about the environment and plants and growth, and it's kind of just like a nice little space to be in.